pockets, flip it back, all the double backing. Pull on my waist, skip a blick for the noggin tapping. Body twitch on me, double tapping. He laid on the floor, get the medic stay. Get the medic stay, body bag him up. Body cold, let him body tag him up.
What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna be taking y'all through the day of a person who's gonna be playing college basketball next year, as well as the owner of a clothing brand. Feel me, young entrepreneur. For to start off, I'm gonna be taking y'all through one of my workouts. First workout of the day. It's around I think 10:30 right now. Feel me? All I did so far was wake up, eat breakfast, and yeah, this is the first part of my day. I always start every day with a workout. So today we're gonna be doing a little bit of stretching and recovery, because yesterday was a little heavier of a day. I was hooping for 4 hours in total yesterday, and yeah, my body's beat up. So we're gonna do a little stretches, some recovery work, and then we're gonna do a ball handling workout.
Started off with some foam rolling. Frankensteins. Calf, hamstring stretch. Knees to chest. Fours. Lunges. Side lunges. Open the gate. Hip mobility, brute strength.
Onto ball handling. A little coordination drill.
I'm washed, bro. Not gonna lie, I lost track of time, so yeah, I'm gonna just have to end the workout there, but I'm gonna just make 5 free throws in a row before I go, and then we gotta go work on my project, working on the basketball shorts. You dig? Something slight. All right, now I'm gonna freshen up and change, and I'll see y'all when I get to school. Yes, sir. I was putting in paint on that court. Now I'm putting in paint in that motherfucking lab, you dig? All right, so boom. Basically, I spent today just doing the same jack I did yesterday, because apparently I messed it up. Unfortunately. So yeah, I had to redraw the chalk lines for the seam allowance on my legs, because I did it on the wrong side of the fabric. And I was taught that apparently when you're sewing, you sew on the wrong side facing, is what they call it, WSF. So you're sewing on the side of the pants that is basically inside out, so that you don't see the seams and stuff. And I know that. So yeah, I did it on the wrong side, so I had to redo that joint. And that's all the clips you see here. And then I had to pin again, and pinning. As I said before in the last video, I really hate pinning. But it didn't take this long this time, because I think I'm starting to get better at it. Just got done in the lab. Now we out to the other lab. Yo, not gonna lie, I was frying motherfuckers. Like, give me that. Chopper. I don't care if it hit the backboard. Still winning. Fuck wrong with him. Oh, mine. Thank you. Oh, lay that boy. Count it. Fuck wrong with him. Oh. Okay, I had to give you that one, Jackson. Okay, that's a tough bucket. I see you. But guess what though? Heavy ball. LeBron James. Yup, that's my bad. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Fuck wrong with him. Chopper. Cha-ching. Yes, sir. We got that too. Oh threat. Another one. Doink. Po. Little floaty. Okay, I see you, Jackson. Little hug. Calm shit. Calm okay, bucket, Ron Fetter. Calm bucket, little bro, Lucas Joe. All right, see, I still got that hook. Feel me? I could be a center when I want to. Oh, right, left. We still got that mini pull. Call me KD with it. And that's game. Really iced that joint. All right, so after the hoop session, I got back home at like 6, 7, something like that. And yeah, I cut myself a little burrito. Feel me? Chef Mo in the building. Yeah, them joints was sturdy. Thank y'all for tuning into this day in the life. I hope y'all enjoyed. And if y'all did, make sure to leave a like. Comment down below something you enjoyed about my day. And make sure to follow me for more content like this and to keep up with the making of the Silkiest Basketball Shorts Series. Peace.